Okay, we got little small hail. Ooh, hang on. Ooh, they're getting close. It's always tricky when it's like this. It's kind of like, oh, it's snow, but then it's kind of not. You need to see, oh, very much small hail. Check that out. We could get a bit of sleet or snow with this maybe if it cools the atmosphere. Come on. This is pure ice. Ooh, come on. Still can't see the snow. Electricity stuff with that. There's a few little flakies in there. Zoom back out a bit. If there's any snow in that, it's got to be really fine, but it's hard to tell whether it's snow or it's just the small hail. Okay, just heading home, Shooters Hill Road, again near the high point. It's not snow, but yeah, it's close. Bit of ice again. We'll just make sure it doesn't turn into snow. It's definitely just drizzle and a little bit of ice.